But I want to ask Anushi, my colleague who is joining in right now, about why is it then Zen Technologies is so excited? Because Anushi, I'm not just talking about the 5% uptick today, because that would have come with the numbers, but it's had a really good run and it's an expensive stock.
Yes, Neeraj, as you mentioned, that the stock is expensive, and despite the 5% move that we've been seeing in this today's session because of the results, it's not the product of the result itself. In fact, if we go back to the 1 month also, the stock has surged more than 25% now. And now this is in contrast to its other defense players now, which have kind of cooled down after the sharp rally that they've seen. Just take an HAL or Bharat Dynamics or Paris Defense, for example. The stocks have seen about a 7 to 9% of a decline in the coming period. But the management commentary on Zentech is what is interesting, remains interesting over here. First is the expectation of new revenue streams which are going to open with the new launch of its products going forward. Along with that, they are expecting a 900 crore of revenue by FY25, which implies about a 105% of a growth going forward. Again, if you have to take the FY26 to 28 picture also, they're expecting a CAGR growth of about 50%. So the growth potential of the company continues to remain on a steadfast path. But if you have to look at the addressable market opportunity also, the Zentech operates in two markets. One is the simulator markets, which they estimate it to grow to about 14,000 crore as compared to about current size of 8,000 crore. So there are currently 2 to 3 players in the market, simulator market right now, in which Zentech holds about 80% of a market share. While if you look at counter drones market, this is where the company is excited about, again, for the opportunity it poses in the next 5 years. If you have to look at the current market size that they're estimating, that comes to about 12,000 crore. And currently there are about 5 to 6 players operating in that market. But coming to today's performance, this was all the long-term commentary on how the management is looking forward. But again, coming back to today's numbers, pretty exciting set of numbers. Revenue about 91% jump, while net profit has seen about a 57% jump. Order book, though they've bagged about 10 crore of orders in Q1, Q3 and Q4 remains on a focus. And again, with that, a strong set of financials that we are looking at in the last 3 years, about 100% jump in this revenue in the last 2 years itself. So this is all that we are seeing in Zentech.
Right, thanks for that, Anushi. That is the story of Zentech. Upper circuit this morning was upper circuit Friday before we went into these earnings. But of course, the management also very confident of the growth trajectory that Zen is undertaking. Well, in the meantime, it's a wait and watch for the Nifty to hit 25,000. For now, it's not happening.